Well, we had another super good night. We're packing up camp. Gonna try to hit breakfast this morning, but it's Father's Day weekend. Trying to hit breakfast this morning, but it's Father's Day, so who knows. Might have to wait a bit, but they're pretty good at moving people through there, so we never have to wait that long. It's been a super good trip, but I like going home, so see you. Stopping in Madras for something to drink. It's super hot. Traffic's super bad. There's a fire in Warm Springs that I think is just going to booger up our original plan to go over Mount Hood. So we're going to do 197 to the Dalles and probably just take the gorge back home. This will probably be the last one. I think we're all just kind of tired and wanting to get home. So yeah, man. Thanks for watching.
Friends and new roads. Get the fuck out of here, new guy.